In Future Colors, we provide both individuals as well as corporations with key pillars of innovations. Through our new innovative platform, we offer online programming bootcamps with mentor support. Up to now, we have transformed career of more than 1,000 people.
At Linkcode, we proudly help our clients to transfer the great vision they have about their new digital venture to a digital product on time and on budget.
We have the pleasure to implement this vision, and we'd like to share with the results. From the user perspective, after a quick and simple registration, you can discover the scope of the training program using a customized roadmap. Then you will be able to start your lesson with thoroughly prepared training materials. Here you can see the contents of a particular lesson. What is unique about Future Colors system are live sessions with the mentors, which are organized on an integrated Zoom application. After taking part in the learning session as a student, you're ready to check your skills with predefined tasks in order to provide the best real-life experience integrated with Visual Studio Code, so that the user is redirected to this tool to write their new code. Now you can begin your first task in VS Code. Thanks to our customized plugin to VS Code, the program will show you if it's correct, using green and red lights. When you finish, just send it to GitLab and go back to Future Colors platform when your mentor using a chat will send you a feedback of your work. The last part is a quiz that will test the knowledge you've gained while the course.
Hi guys, I'm Kamil, product owner of Future Colors, and we have just conducted with Linkcode an awesome project about edutech.
Our goal is to completely take the burden of selecting the right technologies away from the clients.
So I just wanted to share with you some words about my experience and cooperation with Linkcode. So maybe starting with some statistics, like everybody loves them, right? So imagine that, 11 sprints, over 550 issues and almost 3,000 hours of development. This all within the budget and within the deadline. It's impressive, right? This is how job is done in Linkcode.
What our clients like the best about cooperation with Linkcode is that we release the product every 2 weeks, getting them a chance to get a hands-on experience as soon as possible.
So whenever you want UX designs or development, or you need to build an app or service, web service, it doesn't matter. They have passion, they have talented, young, robust team, experience as well. So I just can honestly recommend them for your development. So whenever you need, just go with them. Thanks.